Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add before after image comparison in your Shopify online store. So if you wanted to make your Shopify online store more professional, more eye-catching and give the different experience of your users and your customers, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here you can see that a before and after image comparison. So here is just an example. Look here very carefully. So I have added the same picture in my recent developed theme that's called Mojis, and you can see that I have added a before after image comparison right here. Looks very nice. And now I'm going to show you the backend of this chart. So here is the Shopify admin panel, and click on the customization, and in the customization section, looks here, I have added a dynamic section named before after image, and here is the before after image. And looks here very carefully, in the option of this section we can add before image by selecting image or uploading image, and we can add dynamically after image. Also we can change the text after title and before title. So everything is so easy and fully customizable. And now here is the question that how you can do this. So I am working as a Shopify expert or Shopify developer, and I am developing simple new picture dynamic section for new Shopify online stores. So to get this picture on your Shopify online store, you have to hire me on Upwork or Fiverr, or you can contact with me by WhatsApp. I will share my WhatsApp and Facebook link in the video description so that you can contact with me and I can make same picture for your online store. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service, support, relevant Shopify, WordPress or marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hey everyone, my name is Nate Gallaudet. I'm the owner of Bacon Blend, and I worked with Foysal on building my Shopify store. He did excellent work. I highly recommend you working with Foysal. He will get everything you need done in a timely fashion, and he's all about speed, efficiency, and making sure he does everything correctly. Again, I highly recommend working with Foysal on all your Shopify needs, as well as WordPress. He is a master at WordPress and Shopify.